Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if today is your very first time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you another trend, how to identify another trend, and it is called the consolidation trend, or some also call it indecisive trend. What do I mean by indecisive? If this is indecisive means the market has no clear cut of either is going to drop or is going up. The trade has no clear cut trend line. It's going up, as in it is an uptrend or is a downtrend. It is just consolidating within. So as you can see, the rectangular box over here, you see that price broke from here. So on the support zone, it went up to this resistance, dropped back to the support zone, went up to the resistance and formed first breakout over here, dropped all the way down to the support again, went up to the resistance. So as you can see over here, so this is what we call consolidation or indecisive trend in the market. Thank you once again. If today is your very first time, subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. Thank you all. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.